In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upgrade your OneDrive storage plan. This is a straightforward process, but if you're unfamiliar with navigating the OneDrive interface, don't worry. I'll walk you through every step to ensure you're comfortable and confident. So let's dive right in. First, you'll want to navigate to the OneDrive dashboard. You can do this by opening your web browser and entering the OneDrive website. If you're not already signed in, you'll need to enter your login details to access your dashboard. Once you're on the dashboard, take a look at the top right corner of the screen. Here, you'll notice a small gear icon. This icon represents your settings, and it's where you'll find the options you need to manage your storage plan. Go ahead and click on that gear icon. Once you've clicked it, a drop-down menu will appear, offering various settings and options. From this menu, you'll want to select the option labeled Upgrade. Clicking Upgrade will direct you to the next page, where you'll be able to see the different storage plans available to you. On this new page, you'll find a few plans tailored to meet different needs and budgets. First up is the Basic plan, which offers 100 gigabytes of storage. This might be a good choice if you just need a little extra room for your files without committing to a large plan. Next, there's the Personal plan, providing 1 terabyte of storage. This option is perfect for individuals who want significant extra space for things like photos, videos, and a wide array of documents. Finally, there's the Family plan, which offers a generous 6 terabytes of storage. This plan is ideal if you have multiple people using OneDrive and need to accommodate a larger amount of data. Deciding on a plan will depend on your specific storage needs and whether you're sharing with family members. If you're uncertain about how much space you'll need, it might be worth evaluating your current storage use and considering any potential growth in your data needs over time. Once you've decided on the plan that fits you best, simply follow through with the purchase process. The interface will guide you in providing the necessary payment information and confirming your selection. And that's it. After finalizing your purchase, your OneDrive storage will be upgraded according to the plan you've chosen. As a tip, remember to keep an eye on your storage habits and adjust your plan if necessary to ensure you always have enough space for your data. Hopefully, this video helps make the process seamless, allowing you to enjoy the benefits of expanded OneDrive storage right away.